back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I style and install this beautiful 16-inch 13x4 frontal wig from MYSHINYWIGS. MYSHINYWIGS used to ship out boxes. Now they ship out these beautiful wig bags, which I really appreciate. You get on the inside of the little pouch that they give you. You can see that you get a rat tail comb. You 2 kinds of wig cap to cater to all the different types of skin tones out there. Looks like a concealer brush just in case you want to put some concealer in your part, and you get a pair of tweezers. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So this is what the wig looked like straight out the box. So you can already tell there's curls in it, but of course I'm going to wash it and put my own curls in it. So this is what the wig looks like on the inside. You have 2 combs on the sides, 1 in the middle and 1 in the back. Since I glue my wigs down now, I really don't use any of the combs. Now I'm bleaching the knots, so I used a 40 volume developer and I let the bleach sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And I also make sure that my bleach is thicker than toothpaste, so if you get a little drop, a little dribble that comes off of your brush, then your bleach is too loose and you want to make it thicker. So here's what the wig looks like after I have let it air dry. Sometimes I blow dry my wig, sometimes I let them air dry, but this time I was tired. So now I'm about to straighten it. I didn't include a lot of clips of me straightening this wig because that is not what we're here for, but I do use the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to straighten my wigs before I put curls in them. So here's what the wig looks like straight. It's really pretty. And now I'm about to pluck the frontal. So y'all, I am so sorry. Every time I put footage of me plucking a frontal, I never really have any advice, but the only thing I have to say is make sure you keep those tweezers moving so you can see that I'm going back and forth, because if you keep plucking in the same place, then you will pluck a bald spot, and it takes way too much time to fix a bald spot in the frontal. So take my advice, keep those tweezers moving and do not pluck a bald spot. So that's what my frontal looks like after I have plucked it, and now I'm gonna install it for you guys. The inside of the wig looks like. So when I bleached the knots, I really wasn't sure like what was wrong when I got these little lines in it, but I guess it's fine. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. Also have a comb in the back. So I chose to do a middle part, and I've already plucked this wig and it is ready to install. So I'm just gonna let y'all install it and watch me style it, and y'all can see what it looks like at the end. this is what the wig looks like after I have laid down the top of it. I just used my wax stick. I really like this wig. At first I was kind of nervous because when I tried it on straight out the box, it was kind of snug. Like when I would pull one side, the other side would go up. Really like this wig. I like the curls at first, but now that I put my own curls in it and then I did a side part, she's giving grown woman. Okay, my 22nd birthday is coming up and she's giving 22-year-old. She's giving I'm about to go to work. Like, I really like this. You've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.